The baby when she sees her mother. A. Smile. B. Smiles. C. Smiled. D. Smiling. White heavy check mark answer, B. Smiles. My brother tennis very well. A. Play. B. Playing. C. Plays. D. Played. White heavy check mark answer, C. Plays. She to the market yesterday. A. Goes. B. Going. C. Went. D. Go. White heavy check mark answer, C. Went. I have never to London. A. Be. B. Been. C. Being. D. Was. White heavy check mark answer, B. Been. They watching TV right now. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were. D. Be. White heavy check mark answer, A. Are. My friend's coming to the party tomorrow. A. Am. B. Are. C. Is. D. Be. White heavy check mark answer, B. Are. The sun in the east. A. Rise. B. Rises. C. Rose. D. Risen. White heavy check mark answer, B. Rises. I a book when you called. A. Read. B. Reading. C. Was reading. D. Reads. White heavy check mark answer, C. Was reading. He is homework before dinner. A. Finished. B. Finishes. C. Finish. D. Finishing. White heavy check mark answer, A. Finished. We will to the park if it doesn't rain. A. Goes. B. Went. C. Going. D. Go. White heavy check mark answer, D. Go. There are a lot of people at the meeting. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was. D. Been. White heavy check mark answer, B. Are. She the piano since she was 6. A. Play. B. Playing. C. Played. D. Has played. White heavy check mark answer, D. Has played. Please your shoes before entering. A. Take off. B. Takes off. C. Taking off. D. Took off. White heavy check mark answer, A. Take off. The movie was than I expected. A. Good. B. Better. C. Best. D. More better. White heavy check mark answer, B. Better. We saw of birds flying together. A. Group. B. Flock. C. Team. D. Herd. White heavy check mark answer, B. Flock. Which word is a synonym of happy? A. Sad. B, joyful. C, angry. D, tired. White heavy checkmark answer, B, joyful. By next week, they the project. A, complete. B, will complete. C, will have completed. D, completed. White heavy checkmark answer, C, will have completed. The plural of child is A, childs. B, children. C, children's. D, child's. White heavy checkmark answer, B, children. My uncle gave me advice. A, B, N. C, some. D, many. White heavy checkmark answer, C, some. If I would take the job. A, am. B, was. C, were. D, be. White heavy checkmark answer, C, were. Subscribe for more learning English.